Good day, sir. We are from Group CANOPUS and we will be presenting our application today, which is the time management application. We will start by introducing ourselves. My name is Tanushree.
Hi, I'm Christina.
Hello, sir. My name is Sufyan.
Okay, I will start off the presentation by explaining our objective of this application. So this idea for an application came as all of us are having packed schedule with so much of subjects and submission. As a person who writes in notebook daily tasks and everything, we were thinking why not make it more easier by having it in our phone itself. So the objective is to develop an application that will be handy for students or even office workers to update their tasks daily by choosing a date and time for their task. Besides that, it is also to provide a user-friendly interface. Conditions for this application is simple as all of the empty fields will have to be filled out in order to work it and update a new task. And if a task is done and needed to be removed, it can be done in task list itself. So the user will have to confirm their choice in the confirmation message that will pop up. So empty tasks won't be able to be added into the task list. Okay, I will start off by demonstrating the main page of the application. The application name is on top and I've designed the logo especially for this app. The cosmetic applied includes the change of font. For example, it's called for this one, it's called cursive, and then there's bolded text, italic, and so on. Besides that, a theme was followed, which is a bluish purple theme for the entire application. So I will go on to the first button. The first button is called the Task Manager. Task Manager button calls up and opens up another activity for user to insert their task. So the second button is Task List. The user will be able to view and remove all their added tasks. In additional, I've also supported my team in coding some other function, which is the time picker in Task List. In Task Manager, which will be presented by my teammates. So I will now pass it to Christina to explain and demonstrate the activities. Thank
Okay,
you.
hello. My name is Nur Christina. So now I'm going to present for the task manager. So first task manager is the place where you going to add your task. So you can click the task manager button. Okay. So firstly, you will have to enter your task. So now maybe just put my name, Christina presentation. So and then we pick a time. So okay. So for the time for the time also we can choose AM or PM. Okay, and then pick a date. Okay. For the date there is no limitation. So we can put any date that we want even for next year. So maybe okay. Okay, now we can click done. And then it will pop up to the task list. So now we're going to test the error. So go back home and then task manager. So example, if you just click done, there will be a pop-out text. Please enter a task. So we need to enter a task. Okay, then we just click done again. So we still need to pick a time. So we have to pick a time. Okay, and then click done. Okay, last one we need to pick a date. Okay, and then click done. Only if we already add the task, the time and the date, then we can add the task to the task list. If not, it will pop out the error message. So that is all for my part. Now we go back home first, and then now I'm going to pass to Sufyan.
Okay. Hello, sir. My name is Sufyan, and today I will be presenting about the task list. So all of the tasks that you put in the task manager will appear in the task list. So for this example, let's say you just open the app and just straight away want to go to the task list, you can. So these are all the task lists that we have added. So for the first one, let's say you decided to remove a task list, you can do that by pressing the X button here. And then a confirmation pop-up will appear here to avoid users accidentally deleting a task. So if you want, you can press yes, or you can press no if you want to cancel it. Okay, so basically how this works is that I extracted everything the user put in the task manager page into the database, and I extracted it to put it in a list view in the task list. So as you can see here, it is all presented in an ascending order in terms of deadline. So the first one will be the earliest deadline, and the last one will obviously be the latest deadline. The time that the user has picked will also be presented next to the date. Okay, so let's say you want to add a task. You can press the plus button on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then you can add the task here, just like Christina said just now. And then you can press a home button to go back to the home page. Okay, so I think that is all from my team. Thank you very much, sir.